If you watched the part 1 of my cleaning vlog, I mentioned that the video was getting too long, so today we are finishing the rest part of the room, and this is part 2. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. This is the part 2 of the cleaning vlog, and today I'm cleaning my bed, my study area, and organizing my wardrobe here in my 60-meter square Paris student apartment. So let's get into it. I don't want to make the introduction very long, so let's get into it. So before I started cleaning, this is what the room looked like. My bed was messy, the wardrobe side needed a lot of organizing, my shoes were all over the place, and even the rug area needed some attention. My study area was also piled up with so many things from the week. This is the reality of living in a tiny space. It gets messy faster, and yeah, but today we are resetting everything. Let's get into it. I started with the study area because it's the first thing I see when I wake up every morning. I cleared everything off the table and wiped the whole surface down. This space gets cluttered easily because I use it daily for studying, editing, and doing pretty much everything. Doing my makeup, dressing my hair, it's a lot, you know. Once the table was cleaned, I arranged everything nicely, and I love it when this area looks simple and organized because it makes me feel productive instantly. I don't know whether it is just me or it is just like that with everyone. Honestly, whenever my space gets cluttered like this, I completely lose focus. I don't know if it's just me, but once things start piling up, I can't concentrate on anything. That's why I always feel the need to clean or at least organize a little bit before I try to work or study, because mostly I edit, I study on this same table, and I think living also in a small space makes it even more noticeable. Once one area gets messy, the whole room feels off. So cleaning this part always helps me reset mentally, and it makes me feel so refreshed mentally. Yeah, I guess so. Next, I moved to the bed area. I packed everything off the bed, and I had already washed my duvet, my bed sheets, everything. That is what you see on the bed. So I had to pack everything out. My laptop, my bedtime books. I have books that I read before bedtime, so everything is always on my bed, so I have to pack everything out. I mostly do more studying even in my bed more than my study space. So I stripped off all the sheets and even lifted the mattress so I could properly clean the bed frame. Dust builds up really quickly in small apartments, so I try to deep clean this area once in a while. After brushing everything down, I put on the sheets, dress the bed, and arrange all the pillows. There's something about a clean bed that instantly makes the whole room feel so calm. After dressing my bed and making sure everywhere was clean and neatly laid, I then moved to the wardrobe and shoe rack side. I rearranged my shoes properly. My shoes are a lot, so I had packed some under my bed so that my doorway wouldn't feel cluttered and looking messy, even though it's arranged. But I organized my jackets and jeans. I also have these wardrobe cubes that I got from Shein that helps me separate some of my clothes and keep everything looking neat. These wardrobe cubes are actually practical because it makes your stuff really organized in your wardrobe. You don't have to be messing things up in your wardrobe. You know where to go for your jeans, you know where to go for your tops, you know where to go for your skirt. Once everything was organized, I swept the entire room, and then also I picked up few stuff and arranged a few random things that were out of place, and also bundled the trash out. I mopped the floor and the room finally felt fresh again. After the room was cleaned, I stepped out to make sure my doorway is also neatly cleaned, because we have cleaners who come around to clean the entire place for us. If you want them to clean your room, they can, but I don't normally allow them in my room. I do my cleaning myself, but outside they are in charge. So I tied up the trash, closed my door, and then got ready to just go and trash it out so that everything will feel complete. So this is our poubelle room. In English we will say maybe trash room, yeah, but in French it's poubelle room, so we call it local poubelle. Thank you guys for watching part 2 of my cleaning vlog in my tiny 60-meter square student apartment here in Paris. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know if you want more cleaning or reset vlog. I'll see you in my next video.